In this video, we use our laser machine to create these fun Umbrella Academy themed keychains.
My wife is a fan of the Umbrella Academy show, so it seemed like a good excuse to make some keychains. I planned on paint filling engraved designs on 2 different acrylics. I started off by engraving the designs in reverse on some clear acrylic shown here. The acrylic had been masked off prior to engraving. I then put some scrap pieces of white acrylic in the laser and taped them in place. The acrylic scraps still had their paper mask on from the factory, but I applied our paper mask to the other side. I didn't want them to move as they needed to stay in the laser after the engraving was finished. The same designs I engraved before were done again, but with the correct orientation. These parts were then flipped over and the exact same engraving job was sent so that these keychains would be double-sided. The keychains were all given a few coats of black paint. I had masked off the edges to prevent overspray too. The white acrylic keychains were flipped over and the back sides were painted. The mask was peeled off all the keychains. Some paint snuck under the tape on the edges, so I just lightly scraped it off with an X-Acto knife. I added some jump rings and key rings to the white keychains. For the clear keychains, I also added jump rings to attach key rings. I had already prepped the key rings with some black tassels. I thought the tassels added some much needed flair.
Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think and if you've ever thought about doing a project like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more projects coming soon. Stay tuned.